It was an excellent presentation, Siddharth. Your idea was great. I feel that we are going to back this deal. Tasha, what's your viewpoint?
Let's see what happens. So please allow me to go out. I've got a terrible headache.
What's wrong with both of you now? Siddharth? Siddharth? Siddharth, you have done it. You have done it, Siddharth. Yes, we have backed this deal. Here, read it. I'm just not able to believe this.
Yes. So, the client loved the presentation. They will connect with us. Said, this is a big deal. PCG has cracked the deal in its Kolkata branch. So, I've maintained your reputation.
I don't have words to appreciate you, Siddharth. You go home quickly. Share this good news with Mithai. You couldn't have shown this presentation without her help today, Siddharth. Siddharth, I feel very, very proud of you, Siddharth.
All the best.
Hey, this is wet. What are you doing? Mithai deserves the credit for today's success. I don't know how she got the laptop repaired.
Actually, today I couldn't go to the factory. The sweets have been sent for the delivery. Grandfather? Actually, I was busy with an important task, so I couldn't go to the factory.
Why don't you tell them what had kept you tied up?
Mithai, Dad is absolutely right. Why didn't you tell me where you went early in the morning?
Appa, please spare her. She doesn't want to share it right now. Why are you all forcing her? I don't understand.
We are not forcing her. Can't you see Samresh is angry?
Is it wrong for me to get angry? We had such a big order and she was tied up with something else. What was she busy with? How can it be more important than our order?
Mithai went out to get my laptop repaired. Why didn't you tell them that I accidentally spilled water on my laptop yesterday? My official documents were saved on that laptop, sir. If the laptop hadn't worked, my reputation would have been ruined. Grandpa, I could submit the presentation on time because Mithai got my laptop repaired. I not only submitted it, but we also bagged a very big deal.
What are you saying, Siddharth? Mithai got your laptop repaired. What's this? What was the problem in sharing this? Why were you silently listening to everybody scolding? What are you made of, Mithai? Oof.
Samresh, a little while ago, you said that Mithai would never be able to support Siddharth. Did you hear? Did you hear everything?
Samresh, your company's order was delivered on time. Mithai personally went and checked everything. Yet you reprimanded her. Shame on you. She.
Samaresh, I must say that you lose your common sense when you're in a bad mood. Seriously. Let's go now. We are getting late. Let's go.
Uncle, I can't resist saying one thing. As far as I know, Mithai isn't an employee of Siddheshwar Modak. I mean, she doesn't work for you, so it's entirely up to her to decide when she'll go to work, isn't it? She hasn't signed a service bond. I mean, that's what I know.
Siddharth, my grandson, you must be very happy today. Mithai has got your laptop repaired. You have bagged a big order. Samresh claims that Mithai isn't worthy enough to be your wife. What I was saying, that our Mithai isn't less than anybody.
Grandfather, what are you saying? Actually, I know you love me a lot, and that's why you think like this. Anyway, sir is right. Mithai,
Aunt, ask your genius if she's taken an injection. She wasn't riding the bicycle properly. She couldn't maintain balance and got knocked by my car as usual. Come on, show me your hand. Show me your hand, Mithai.
Show it to him.
Mithai.
Look at this.
Ooh.
She has got bruises. It was bleeding, you know. You didn't apply anything. I knew it.
this will heal normally.
You suffer from indigestion if you don't act smart, right? Come upstairs, I'll apply medicine.
Medicine? No. Aunt Opa, I won't apply medicine. It burns a lot.
Tell me something. I'm really confused about your activities. Okay, Mom, just imagine how she got Siddharth's laptop and even gave it to him. How did you do this?
I couldn't have done it. I was helped by a person Brother Ratul knows. I have to thank brother-in-law Ratul.
Ratul gave you the details of the shop that repairs laptops. Ratul.
Yes.
Okay, do one thing. You come upstairs quickly. I'll dress your wound and after that, we'll go and thank him, okay?
What? No, I mean, shall I go with you?
Hey, what's there to say no? You love going to their house anyway. You'll go there and shout, Shritama, Shritama, Ratul, Ratul. That's what you'll do. Come on, let's go up quickly. Show me your hand.
Slowly.
Disgusting.
Mithai, I'm so happy today. Your husband spoke in your favor before Samresh. Listen, I think my Lord has answered our prayers.
Hey, Lord.
Siddharth always protects whenever he sees anything wrong. This doesn't prove anything, oh Lord. Siddharth will never accept this marriage. Mithai is not worthy of Siddharth. Mithai is not stupid that she will consider this game real. Not at all.
Nanda. Yes, Nanda, tell me. Hello? Yes, I can hear you. Tell me. Shri hasn't come home yet? Where did she go? To her friend's place? So?
Shri, yes? You've been roaming in College Street for a long time. Which book are you looking for exactly? Please tell me.
Computer science. Ratul needs this book. He has been looking for the book for a long time, but he didn't get it.
Yes. I'll look into it. Okay. Fine. What shall I do? Shri is not answering her sister's call. Will she answer my call?
Listen, Shri, you continue searching for the book. I'll have to go now. Got it?
Why?
You know
What do you want,
Sanchar
madam?
has been waiting for me for a long time.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, this is for 100.
So your boyfriend is waiting for you. You should have told me before. You go.
Yes, you can
I'll
have a
look for the book for some more time, and if I don't get
Okay,
it, I'll go home.
Ma'am,
Okay.
come here.
But please don't
we
mind.
want
Oh
books.
no, why will I
What do you
mind?
want?
Go, don't make him
Novels,
wait
comics?
anymore.
Okay.
Sir, do you have books on robotics?
Yes, I have it.
Please check if you have this book. Hello?
Oh my. How come Ratul is so lucky today?
This is the book, ma'am. This one.
What?
Shritama didn't answer her sister's call, but she answered my call.
Sister? One second.
Here, ma'am. This is
I
the book.
can't hear you at all.
What's all this noise? Hello?
Hello? Can you hear
Share
me?
your live location with me, please. Hello?
Hello?
Shri, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can't hear you. Can you hear me?
What happened all of a sudden? Is she in any problem?
Oh Lord, he's looking for me so that he can apply medicine. Oof, I can't bear the burning sensation. I pray that he does not find me. Please help me. Yes, I'll hide here. Here, yes. Oh Lord,
Mithai! Where are you?
oh Lord, please help me.
Where are you hiding? Mithai? Mithai, come out. I can see you, Mithai. Come out. What were you thinking? What were you doing here? Did you think that if you hide here, I wouldn't be able to find you?
Please spare me. That medicine gives a burning sensation.
What nonsense, Mithai. You fall all the time while riding your bicycle. You don't feel any pain when you fall. Your hands and legs get bruised, but it doesn't affect you. You have a problem only when you're supposed to apply this medicine. Give me your hand.
No,
What? No.
please leave
Give me your hand.
I told you it burns a lot. I won't apply it. The wound will heal naturally.
Listen, Mithai. Remember that you are not a doctor.
Oh, really? You are also not a doctor, yet you pretend to be one.
Hey, listen, when you cut your finger the last time, I dressed your wound. Don't forget that. Ungrateful. You forget everything. When you were in pain, I tried to soothe it. I'll apply medicine this time too. Listen, you just have to trust me, okay? And listen, don't think that only you can do everything. Siddharth Modak can also do certain things. Close your eyes. You fall anywhere from the bicycle. You can bear all kinds of cuts and burns. Your drama starts when it's time to apply medicine. Silly girl. The wound will become septic if you don't apply medicine. Do you know it?
Oh, Lord. Why is Mithai not able to control her emotions? Siddharth's care and concern is just a reciprocal of my favor. Then why does Mithai feels that Siddharth is showing concern because he cares? I should not think like this.
Mithai? Mithai, open your eyes. Mithai, stop this drama. Open your eyes, please. See? See for yourself. You were shouting and creating such a ruckus. Did anything happen? Nothing has happened. Actually, Siddharth Modak is an expert in many things. But my family members don't know about my qualities. They don't believe me.
Good. Very good. Very good. Mithai, I must say that I've seen many husbands apply medicines to their wives. But I never saw anyone do it with so much care and concern. I mean, this was my first time. Hey, Mithai, how do you thank someone? Come on, say it to Siddharth.
Thank you. No. Thank you.
Hey, Mithai, you pronounced thank you correctly. Aunt Appa, look. Mithai has learned a lot of things after staying with Brother Sid.
What nonsense is this, Sandy? What nonsense? The correct pronunciation is thank you and not thanku. Please teach her the correct pronunciation, please.
Aunt Opa, do you know what? When I returned the laptop, grandfather's grandson said thank you to me.
What? Brother Sid.
Well, I said it just like that so that your genius understands it. Okay, Aunt.
Hmm?
When Sir was scolding her unnecessarily, why didn't she say that she had gone to get the laptop repaired? Why didn't she? I mean, does she like getting scolded? I just don't get it, Aunt.
You are absolutely right, Siddharth. Mithai. See, Siddharth is right. Why don't you tell him? You should have told him.
Can I argue with him? Is it right, Aunt Opa? You only tell me. If I mentioned the laptop, he would have known that I washed his hair. That would have made him furious. You know that the short-tempered son of your family doesn't understand anything. Forget it. If he wants to go to Sister Shree's house, then we must start right now.
Hey, Mithai, listen.
Tell me.
I was saying not
Hmm?
like this.
Hmm?
This is the first time Brother Sid has proposed to take you out. You can't go just like this. You need to dress up. Come.
Again.
Come, Mithai. Let's go.
I must say that all of us are very happy to see you like this. I can't express it in words. Stay well. Sandeep?
Yes.
Okay, we'll send some fish with mithai for Rajiv's family. Come with me.
Okay. Come.
I don't know what my family expects from me. I don't know how they will react when they get to know that my feelings regarding marriage haven't changed after a month. All of them will be upset. A lot of emotions, sentiments, heartbreak. I seriously can't stand all this.